What's this?
Mighty Beanz Slam Pack. Series 2 with 8 beans inside. How many 8? How many?
Open it.
Open it. All right. How do we open this thing? Peel here. Okay, let's see it. So what do we do with this? First we unwrap it, then we slam it. That's why they call it a slam pack, right? And then, boom. Ooh, look at this. You can see what's going on here. That guy, there's a Mighty Bean inside, and he's like flipping around. Okay, here we go. Okay, the Mighty Beanz. Okay, you know what to do. Let's get that open here. Okay. Read before opening. Very important. Need help? Okay, you want some help doing this? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And oh, is it stuck?
This is stuck?
Here it comes.
Slime!
It comes with, okay, so we got slam the bean pod.
Slime!
See it grow and burst.
Slime!
Boom. And slime, it comes, oh, that's just, that's the air pocket. That's the thing that makes it pop.
Slime! Oh, slime!
These are farm beans, apparently. Farm beans. Oh, look at that guy.
Oh, this one!
There's not, I don't think there's slime in there. Let's see what we got here. These have names?
Open slime.
I don't think there's anything in here, but we'll check, just in case. Just in case. This is just the air pocket. That makes it pop. Yeah, it says right there, so do not cut. So we get, there's no slime in there. But, what do we got there? You want to open that up? What's inside there? So how many beans have we got here? We got this guy. Who's this?
It's that guy.
Like an angry chicken one there. Wait, are these Angry Birds ones? Oh my goodness. There's like a lot that they can choose from. This is crazy.
Open this slime.
You want to open this thing up? You really want to open that? First, let's look. Okay, what do we got here? So we've got
Open that.
Angry Bird guy, whatever this guy is. Who's that? We've got this guy, Brown. And that one. This crazy guy here. And we got this white. What's the one? What is that?
Hey, gimme. Open this guy.
All right, let's open this guy. Look, it's got a target. Here we go. What's inside there? Whoa! There we go. That, my friends, is our Mighty Beanz Slam Pack.